Hello and welcome. My name is BIPLOB'S. I invite you to join me on an extraordinary cinematic journey into a land of breathtaking beauty. Nature has painted its canvas with the most vibrant shades of green. This is Sylhet, a division in the northeast of Bangladesh, a region almost untouched by the relentless pace of the modern world. Here the air hums with life, landscapes unfold in a spectacle of serene majesty, rolling hills carpeted in endless tea plantations, mystical forests submerged in fresh water. Sylhet is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Our exploration takes us deep into the heart of this verdant paradise. We will wander through dreamlike landscapes. Our journey begins here, in Srimangal, an area often called the tea capital of Bangladesh. It is a world sculpted by human hands in harmony with nature. As far as the eye can see, the land is a rolling tapestry of immaculate green. These are not merely hills. They are waves of emerald, frozen in time, each one meticulously draped in the vibrant foliage of the Camellia sinensis plant. The sheer scale of it is astonishing, a testament to generations of effort, creating a landscape that is both productive and profoundly beautiful. The air itself seems to carry the essence of this place, a subtle, fresh aroma of tea leaves that cleanses the soul with every breath. Walking through these plantations is a meditative experience. The paths wind like gentle streams between the perfectly manicured bushes. All around, there is a quiet industry. We see the tea pluckers, their fingers moving with a practiced, almost rhythmic grace, selecting only the most tender shoots, the 2 leaves and a bud that promise the finest brew. Their presence adds a human dimension to this vast green canvas. Their colorful saris a striking contrast against the uniform green. They are the custodians of this landscape, their lives intricately woven into the cycles of the tea harvest. The atmosphere here is one of deep tranquility. The world seems to slow down. The only sounds are the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze, the distant calls of unseen birds, and the soft hum of insects. It is a symphony of serenity. We now leave the sun-drenched hills of Srimangal and venture into a realm that feels altogether different, a world of shadow and water. This is the Ratargul swamp forest, a natural wonder unique in Bangladesh, one of the few freshwater swamp forests in the world. During the monsoon, it becomes an almost otherworldly, submerged kingdom. Here, trees rise directly from the water, trunks and roots submerged for months. To explore Ratargul is to embark on a silent voyage. The only way through is a small, traditional wooden boat. As we glide in, the outside world seems to dissolve. The engine is cut. The only sound is the paddle's gentle dip into still, dark water. The surface becomes a perfect mirror, reflecting the dense canopy above. The effect, suspended between 2 forests, one real, one reflected. Adventurous and deeply calming. A dense emerald canopy filters sunlight into a soft, dappled green glow. Shafts of sunbeam pierce the gloom, illuminating water and submerged root networks. The trees here are primarily korok, adapted to waterlogged life. Branches draped with vines, branches draped with creepers. Natural archways and tunnels form as our boat passes through. Explorers in a forgotten world, this ecosystem supports remarkable life. Calm waters shelter many fish, a snake sunning on a low branch, a monitor lizard gliding through the water. Above, the canopy is alive with birdsong, egrets on low branches, herons standing like sentinels. Deeper in, enchantment grows. Every turn reveals a new vista. Silence broken only by nature's chorus, a place that commands reverence. Ratargul, nature's ingenuity on display. To float here is to touch a primordial, wilder side of the planet, where water rules and the forest bows to its power. Our final destination takes us to the borderlands, where the hills of India meet the plains of Bangladesh. This is Jaflong, a place renowned for its unique and dramatic beauty. The landscape here is dominated by the constant, patient work of the river. For centuries, the Dorki River has flowed down from the Meghalayan mountains, carrying with it a bounty of stones, pebbles. As the river slows upon reaching the flatlands of Jaflong, it deposits its cargo, creating vast beds of smooth, colorful stones that litter the riverbanks and the shallows. The stones are the lifeblood of this area. Local workers spend their days collecting them from the riverbed. We see them standing waist-deep in the cool water, using nets and barges to gather the stones that will be used in construction across the country. Their rhythmic, tireless work is set against a backdrop of staggering natural beauty. The true marvel of this region, however, is the Dorki River itself. Its waters possess a clarity that is almost unbelievable. In the drier seasons, the river is so transparent that it creates a remarkable illusion. Boats floating on its surface appear to be suspended in mid-air, casting clear, sharp shadows on the riverbed far below. This crystal-clear water, flowing gently over a bed of multicolored stones, is a sight of pure, unadulterated magic. It is a photographer's dream, a natural spectacle that seems to defy logic. Gliding on the Dorki is an experience of sheer wonder. As our boat moves across the surface, we can gaze directly down to the river floor, watching small fish dart between the smooth, rounded stones. The water is cool and inviting, a ribbon of liquid turquoise and emerald winding its way through the landscape. On the far bank, in India, waterfalls can sometimes be seen cascading down the green cliffs, their distant roar a faint whisper on the wind. It is a place of profound peace, where one can feel a deep connection to the elemental forces of water and stone. Jaflong and the Dorki River represent the grand finale of Sylhet's natural symphony. It is a place where the raw power of the mountains meets the gentle artistry of the river. Sparkling stones, the impossibly clear water, and the breathtaking mountain scenery combine to create a landscape that is both dramatic and serene. Our journey through the verdant landscapes of Sylhet has come to an end, but the memories of its beauty will surely linger. From the tranquil rolling hills of Srimangal's tea gardens to the mystical submerged world of the Ratargul swamp forest and the crystal-clear waters of the Dorki River, we have witnessed a land of incredible diversity and profound natural wonder. Sylhet is more than just a destination. It is an experience that engages all the senses and speaks directly to the soul. It is a testament to the enduring power and artistry of the natural world. I hope this cinematic exploration has ignited a spark of curiosity within you. To truly understand the magic of Sylhet, one must experience it firsthand, to breathe its fresh air, to feel the cool water, and to stand in awe of its majestic scenery. I wholeheartedly invite you to plan your own journey, to create your own memories, and to discover the deep connection that awaits in the green heart of Bangladesh. There are still so many stories whispered on its winds and reflected in its waters, waiting to be heard. Thank you for joining me, Ms. BIPLOB Hossain, on this incredible adventure. It has been a privilege to share the beauty of my homeland with you. If you were moved by what you saw and wish to embark on more cinematic journeys to the world's most beautiful and hidden places, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support allows us to continue bringing these stories to light. Until our next journey, may you find wonder in the world around you.